Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to get the dark mode version on Snapchat on the iPhone. So in order to get dark mode on your phone, all you need to do is go to Settings, scroll down to see Display and Brightness, and then all you need to do is switch this one. This is the normal one, but all you need to do is click this little circle and change it to dark. However, that does not change the Snapchat. For Snapchat, all you want to do is go to the top left with your Bitmoji is, click the gear icon in the top right, scroll down until you see app appearance, click that, and then this is the setting it's always on, but all you need to do is go to always dark, and this changes the setting on Snapchat. Very simple. So if you want to just change it back, all you need to just go back here, go down to app appearance, and then change it back to always light. And another way you can change your colors on Snapchat is if you go to the settings, go back, go down to accessibility, scroll down. You need to go to display and text size and turn on smart invert. And then now if you go back to Snapchat, it changes the whole look of your phone, and it looks very different on Snapchat as well, as you can see. But yeah, that's it. If you guys enjoyed the video, just make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.